Hello, today I want you to try this blueberry recipe. Now we chop the blueberries, and we mix with yogurt and also milk. This drink really give you a good skin, shiny skin, especially for the women. And now we put it together like I show you. Yeah, chopping blueberries, add yogurt and blueberries, and the last is milk. It's really delicious and provide you the good benefit for your skin. For ladies, please don't forget to try this for your beautiful skin, beautiful face, and shiny skin that the other woman will get jealous of your skin. I promise you. Yes, now I finish it. You see, it looks so good, right? Even it puts in the glass. It looks so good and really yummy. I tried. I make it like maybe 2 times a week, and I change to the other ingredient like strawberry or the banana. You can make with the other fruit as well. Okay, now thank you so much for watching this. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.